Hello, friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And first of all, happy Friendship Day to all of you. As you know, yesterday was a Friendship Day, right? So, everyone has done something special for their friends. So, today I am here to do something special for my friends, and that is today I am going to devote a poem to them, and that the topic of the poem is Bonds of Friendship. So, before starting this poem, I have a small idea of this poem, and that is friendship is one of the life's greatest treasure. Friends that are royal are always there to make you laugh when you are down. They are not afraid to help you avoid mistakes and they took out for your best interest. This kind of friend can be hard to find, but they offer a friendship that will last a lifetime. Sometimes we have a friend and we sense that our souls are very closely connected. We know that the connection is above time and space. We know that wherever we are in our lives, we will always remain friends. Even if we do not see each other for years, we are able to pick up right where we left off. This is what people mean when they say friends forever. So, friends, let's start the poem. From the day I first knew you, your heart was pure and kind. From the day that I first knew you, your heart was pure and kind. Your smile was sweet and innocent. Your wit was well refined. The sparkle in your eyes was keen, your friendship fast and real. Soft words were your virtue, and humor your appeal. We grew as friends together. We grew as friends together. We laughed and shared our dreams. Laughed and shared our dreams. Along the way, crush or two went unrevealed, it seems. Along the way, crush or two went unrevealed, it seems. As year rolled on, our paths were split. Our roads went separate ways. We each pursued our interest that occupied our days. We each pursued our interest that occupied our days. We soon forgot our youthful bliss. We soon forgot our youthful bliss of tender, carefree years. We didn't talk or keep in touch throughout life's pain and tears. We didn't talk or keep in touch throughout life's pain and tears. Then my darkest hour came. My darkest hour came and tried me to my core. To save my heart from ruin, I closed and locked the door. To save my heart from ruin, I closed and locked the door. Then out of every now where, with precise directed cue, an old familiar smile came slowly into view. An old familiar smile came slowly into view. Although much time was gone and the die of fate long cast, it was as if we hadn't missed a second of the past. It was as if we hadn't missed a second of the past. You listened with attentive care and reassured my mind that loving hearts are still alive with purpose and design. Loving hearts are still alive with purpose and design. Deep inside, I have locked away. Deep inside, I have locked away. Emotions yet untold. As time goes on and bonds grow strong, as time goes on and bonds grow strong, they will all unfold. So, thank you, friend, for taking time. Thank you, friend, for taking time to demonstrate your love. It's yet another blessing that I'm undeserving of. It's yet another blessing that I'm undeserving of. So, happy Friendship Day to all of you once again. A friend is someone who understands your past, believes in your future, and accepts you today the way you are. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.